On sun-bathed slopes, we seek another elusive California native. Midpen is working hard to understand and protect.
The badger can zero in on where the animal is underground through smell and through hearing.
On the grassy open meadows at Midpen's Long Ridge Preserve, bordered by busy Highway 35 and deep forests, rarely seen American badgers find food and shelter while hiding in plain sight.
Trying to put a camera where an active burrow is a huge challenge because they're just moving around a lot across the landscape.
But you have one nearby where you've actually had a camera?
Yes, yeah. Just over the hillside.
That away? Let's go check it out.
Awesome.
These hillsides are dotted with mounds and burrows, evidence to the trained eye of badger activity. Tanya Diamond and Ahiga Sandoval are wildlife researchers with the consulting firm Pathways for Wildlife, and Jesse Quinn is an ecologist. They're helping Midpen better understand the mysterious lives of badgers, the dangers they face, and what they need to survive.
So we really want to do everything that we can to inform our management and support the species to a healthy level.
We'll walk along this trail and it'll lead us to a burrow.
Studying nocturnal animals who live underground and can't be observed by human eyes requires motion-triggered cameras to record badger behavior.
So these cameras, they pick up picture and video simultaneously. So as it's taking pictures, it's recording a video as well. And that's how we get the behavior information.
The team has captured first-of-a-kind and informative footage of badger activity here and nearby, including on a study for the Peninsula Open Space Trust in Santa Clara County of a now famous friendship between a badger and a coyote.
And that was so special because so many people reached out because they couldn't believe that this coyote and this badger could be friends. And indeed, Jesse and I were like, are they friends? Is the coyote just using the badger and getting ground squirrels afterwards? But thanks to Ahiga's footage, I think that answered the question.
While the team seeks to photograph badgers, it's also discovering evidence around their burrows of badgers' diets and population genetics.
This looks like a part of a gopher skull. A snake skin. This is a hair snare that we install so that when the badger enters or leaves the burrow, it will act as a comb and grab some of the hairs for our genetic samples.
Midpen and its research partners are learning about serious challenges badgers face migrating between desirable grassland habitats while confronting big barriers like roads and forests. And research is revealing surprises about roles badgers play in the ecosystem, like how burrowing owls sometimes use badger burrows for their own shelter.
It's exciting because you have a species of concern helping out another species of special concern.
With this study, it's not only showing us where they're at, but what they're doing, what they're up to, and it's really fascinating, and we're learning so much as we go.
It's not just a paper we're going to write, it's applied science. Our project manager, Kareen, she's going to use this data to help manage the landscape and make sure badgers are here in 50, 100 years. So it's very rewarding to work with Midpen.
All of Midpen's native wildlife species have significant roles to play in helping ecosystems we depend on to flourish, while also enriching our lives by knowing that wild California is thriving next door to us, even if we ourselves rarely see or even hear some of our special neighbors.